This is incredibly important aspiration prayers, especially on the path of Vajrayana and Dzogchen Mahamudra path. Very important. Blessings, that's the key. Opening. Start with Chin Lap Chotsok. Sometimes this aspiration prayer called Chin Lap Chotoma, Chin Lap Chotorma, another name for this text. So now I want you to bring everything, whatever you've done, this month, or this day, or this year, or past, whatever. Bring whatever you've done, then goodness coming from that. Then we dedicate, and then we make aspiration for the benefit of all beings. May all of our deepest wishes or deepest aspiration come true. So that's what this aspiration prayer means. So I want you to invite all these feelings, emotions, heartfelt energies, devotions, tears. I like that. There was one line I like. No one comes to the heaven with dry eyes. I kind of rephrase, or if I would say, no one comes to awakening with dry eyes. Moisture of compassion, love, and heartfelt, deepest feeling, energies, compassion, love. So I want you to open to that and clear and present. Ho chin la cho soru sa gyu la ma tam ngo tu charu pe i da shi to ha paru che ku seru kandu chosunra go sungu ba chenbo chazero mo shamu iki tu bejo bejo na ka kya pa yon su kan je puru to me ne sa ni tu sha shin dom ke pa chi ne ge ra je ram 사부게 주기 코로 코르와르 그르 코르타시두 텐슈 소르와텐 디조마르 게웨 분보남 두스 세체 게르웨 영어심 도그마리 문파 근산템 그게 예시나와게 지르 제르니 먼제 가파디바이 나자등에 노라두제경 내게 녀모 내부드민뱀 나조등에 매쟁 구시네 ペンツ込んでるジャムツイトゥンベデレプンゾゲバルゼドゥソン狂信狂信ルワメペゴン自信自信せめとじてる前へ参るゴンキトゥダンニェンごしごんてにゅるわにゅるどきょんゲルテにぼちょちゅげばたんどくできぺらたちょちんでちゃんとぞくんけんごぱんだん入信入はにどらぎゅるちラマくんじょねんぺちんらぷたんちょいぎるめてんでるめとダチャムパチュスンティンデキレンデタダイシントパルションキャブクンドバラメチンラブキねかたるとぐばくしねしたしべれくつふんとぺふんとぺらろべたし